wanted to put a little more effort, got a little creative, and this is basically how to wear a red blazer and not look like an usher at the Playhouse. Um, but I wanted to wear red, so I came up with this look, and I really like it. This is a totally hacked outfit, like 100%. And now that I look at it all together, it reminds me of a picture of my grandmother that she had this red floral like suit, like either it was a dress or a two-piece, like short sleeve shirt and skirt. This is giving me granny. I love it because I love my grandma. But this skirt is actually a dress. I've worn it before. It's like off the shoulder type flutter thing. And I just kind of tucked it under. I used this vintage Express like suede belt. Do need to give it a little bit of cleaning, but this was actually too big, so the elastic was stretched since it's vintage, and I just put 2 safety pins in it just to kind of secure everything. And then my linen top, I did like a wrap front, so I buttoned the first 2 buttons and then wrapped it and kind of tied it around and tucked it under, cuffed the sleeves, and kind of pulled the collar back a little bit. And then, like I said, this belt is securing everything. So threw the red blazer just over top for now. Pulled in some neutral accessories with, of course, my brand new Blackwood bag and my brand new Vince Camuto mules. Like, they're giving Bottega vibes without the heavy price tag. These are on sale on Amazon, $49, so I snagged those. Did some reworked earrings in this yellow to bring out the yellow in the skirt. Probably could layer on some necklaces and bracelets and stuff, but yep, just a red lip, and that's it.